Hey everyone, my name is Eric from clay.com and I'm going to show you how to enrich LinkedIn profiles to find people's work email addresses easily with Clay. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're here in our user interface. We're actually going to start from a new blank table. So in this new blank table, you'll see it opens up with basically a blank canvas for everything that we want to add. What we're going to do is we're going to import data and we're going to import a CSV. Now I have this export from Apollo that we're going to be using that if I were to open it up, we can now see all of the information that I have about these people. So notice I do have their email in this export, but we're going to use none of that. We're only going to use people's LinkedIn profiles, and I'm going to show you the magic of Clay. So here we are going to enter the person's LinkedIn URL, and we're going to import our rows. Great. Then we'll just set up a quick little filter so that we're only working with data that is full. Great, so now we have all of these LinkedIn profiles and we know nothing about these people. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to enrich data and we are going to type in enrich person from LinkedIn profile new. We're going to click on that and it's going to add a column to our table. Now, of course, this column can't do anything yet. We need to put in some information about these people. So we're going to click into our cell right here, and we are going to either drag or click LinkedIn profile into our cell right here, and then we'll hit Save Changes. And then we will run all 39 rows in this view. Great, and now we have enriched all of these people with their LinkedIn profile information. We can now open them up and we can see everything that's available to us about these people. Now, if we want to find their email addresses, though, very simply, all we have to do is we have to go to their latest experience, and then we need to find a person with a company ID. Notice how there's no company ID here. They don't have a fully filled out LinkedIn profile, which actually makes sense because they don't even have a profile picture. So let's go to the next person with a profile picture. Now this one is filled out. So notice how the company domain is in our output here. What we can do is we will map this to the table. And now we will hit enrich data. Now what we want to do is, like I said, we want to find their work email address. So now we will type in find work email. Scroll down. Find work email is right here under the people section, and we will just map everything that we need here. Now, for a company domain, this is a column in our spreadsheet, so all we need to do is come to this token, and we can map that inside of company domain. When it comes to full name, I actually did not take out their full name because I wanted to show you exactly how we could do that without mapping it to the table. We could also jump into a person and notice how we have their full name is named name in here, and it's the third one down in the cell details. So we could go to the settings of our column over here, and like I said, map the company domain. Then what we could also do is drop down the enrich person token and see how name is here, and it's also the third one down. We can input that, and that will be their name as well. So now this saves, and now anybody that we have the company domain for, we can now enrich and find all of the work email addresses for these people. Now, the beautiful part about this is a workflow that's completely done. If we were to add another LinkedIn profile here, www.linkedin.com/in/Eric Nowoslowski, it would automatically start finding all of the information about my LinkedIn profile as well. The workflow is completely done. You can add more data to it and just keep running the same table. Or you could actually delete all of these rows, and then the workflow will still stay, just input more LinkedIn profiles and everything will still work. So there you have it. If you have any other questions, subscribe to the YouTube channel or join our community to ask the questions directly to our team at clay.com/Slack.